Hello friends, welcome back to this session. Today we basically going to check the Python Flask app using the DeepSeek. We have seen the many other example, but today basically we are focusing on the DeepSeek AI, how actually DeepSeek AI working with the Python Flask app. Basically we have doing the different example with the different languages. Today we are going to check with the Python Flask app. So I'm just giving my prompt here. I need a simple Flask app and that can run on the Windows. So I'm just giving the same prompt here, and let's see the code which given by the DeepSeek, and same code we are going to check with on Python code, and this will run on Windows based system. So let's wait to generate the code here. So it's generating the code, and since we have enabled R1 model, so it will basically prompt you the logic behind the code generation. So here you can see it's basically thinking what actually doing the inside DeepSeek to create a new code from its LLM model. So the code has been given the completely, you can see here, and I'm just copying this code here, and let's see this code, and basically expecting the run on the localhost 5000 port, and it is expecting the pip install plus, which is already installed in my system. So I'm just pasting this code here, and this is the sample.py file, and let me run here. So environment side is already run. And so let's wait for a while to generate the Python Flask app here. So this will generate a web app, and this will run on the 5000 port here, you can see here. So let me go here and let me refresh this one, and this will run on the port 5000, and it's created the simple web app, and that basically adding the two number here, and you can, if you want to just to check, and it basically it will do the calculate. Okay, so this is the example to check the DeepSeek code here. Let's go back again. Okay, now let's check the same example using the ChatGPT. So I'm giving the same prompt, and just let's see the code of the ChatGPT 2. So which one is basically compare with which is the code in terms of the Python Flask app. So it's basically generating the first code here, you can see here. So let's paste this code here, and let me paste here code. So this is ChatGPT code. I'm just stopping the run. Let me rerun with the ChatGPT code with the Python Flask app, and let's see. Okay, so let me refresh this one. Okay, so this is the Python Flask example running with the ChatGPT code. So both having the different code base and the different example, you can see. Let me showcase again with the DeepSeek. So DeepSeek gives the somewhat change and somewhat innovative answer, if you see here. So that is a basically different setting here with the DeepSeek, and where the ChatGPT given the basic example. Yeah, both having the example was running, but the difference is the DeepSeek is making the bit advanced with the answer. So answer, the both are beating the expectation, but yeah, DeepSeek is having the more generic answer, and it's basically more innovative comparatively ChatGPT. So this all about how to compare Flask app using the two different AI, DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you.